Hello and welcome to Winnfrey's Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more updates. In today's episode, I'll be making 2 fire recipes using tamarind or ukwaju. Tamarind can be eaten wholly as a fruit or juice or made into a sauce. Let's see how.
Winnfrey's Kitchen.
We need tamarind or ukwaju. Tamarind eliminates fat in your liver, detoxes your body, improves your digestion, protects the liver, lowers cholesterol, and improves your overall health. We also need ginger. Ginger reduces nausea, reduces gas and bloating, decreases muscle and joint pain, reduces cholesterol, and it's a potent anti-inflammatory. We also need cloves. Cloves are rich antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties that boosts immunity. It has antimicrobial properties that help to prevent infections. It stimulates digestive enzymes, thus improving digestion. And finally, we need honey. Honey has natural sugars and it's anti-inflammatory antibiotic. It improves sleep and it's great for gut health. So first I want to extract the pulp, and I soaked mine for like 4 to 5 hours. You can do it overnight to get it as soaked as possible, but you can also do it 4 to 5 hours using hot water. So once I've removed all the seeds and the pulp, this is how it looks like. So the next step, I'll divide this into 2. I'll use 1/2 to make ukwaju or tamarind juice. I'll use the other half to make ukwaju barbecue sauce. So first we want to make sure our paste has no residue, so we will sieve it. I am done sieving. As you can see, there are particles that were in, and that is the reason why we have sieved to get the smooth paste. So this is the result after sieving. In a sufuria, I've added water. I'm going to add the other half of the pulp or the extract. I will add my grated ginger and I will add cloves. I'll add water to my seeds to extract more juice, and then once I have extracted it, I'll add it to my mixture. Some seeds may make their way into the juice, so don't worry guys. Once everything comes to a boil, we will sieve this. I'll add 2 tablespoons of honey, and then I'll bring this to a boil. I'm going to cover this and allow it to boil. Our ukwaju juice is ready, so I'm going to switch off the gas and then I'll sieve this mixture. So I'm going to allow this to cool, and once it's chilled, I will serve it. For the Ukwaju barbecue sauce, we need the Ukwaju extract, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 medium-sized onion, a bunch of coriander, honey, black pepper, and tomato sauce. If you have ketchup, the better. So first we will finely chop the onions, garlic, and coriander stems. So in my pan, I'm going to add some oil, and then I'm going to saute my chopped onions, garlic, and coriander. Then I'm going to add my Ukwaju extract, my honey, black pepper, and my sauce. If you're allergic to honey, you can use jaggery or mascarenguru, brown or white sugar as your sweetener. It's at this stage that you're going to taste your sauce, and you adjust the seasoning as you go on. So I'm going to taste mine and see if it's okay. Well, mine is okay, so I just let it cook for like 30 seconds, and then our sauce is ready. The thickness of your Ukwaju sauce is really your own personal preference. If it's too thick, you can add a bit of warm water to loosen up the sauce. This yummy sauce is served in small quantities along with meals such as bajias and viazi karai as a condiment. You can also use it as a smear on pork choma, chicken, and fish. If you liked these 2 recipes, be sure to let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Follow for more.